Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hi. Hello, Rosa.
Hi, let me see. Hello, guys. Hi, Rishi.
How are you? Rosa, I couldn't able to hear you.
I'm doing okay.
Are you okay now?
Yeah.
Better? Okay, I was muted.
Okay.
Okay. How's girl doing? Are you in
The
cells?
Pumping.
cold is actually moving crazy.
It's moving crazy, to be honest.
Yes, it's been going up all day, and now I just missed. Well, I just took a part of this pullback, but it's been
Yeah.
very difficult to trade
Are
gold.
you in cells?
I've already closed because I only took 40 pips. And
Okay.
I was, I don't know, I didn't trust this downside movement. So I closed it and it's going on and on. Pretty awkward anyway, very volatile.
Yes.
And it's been like that since the opening on Monday.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
I don't know what's the reason for gold being this crazy going upwards. Nasdaq also has been just crazy, again, just going up and up.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So are you in any positions?
No, as of now, no.
I'm also not
It,
in any position.
it is actually pretty super good.
Hmm.
Did you took any trade?
I did take a few buys this morning.
Okay.
Finally, I was on the right side of the coin. But I actually, I mean, honestly, I didn't take advantage of the whole run. It's just bits and pieces here and there.
Oh,
And I'm trying to understand, I'm trying to mark some important levels.
Yeah.
Wow, it's just dying.
I think I'm going to look for shorts, but not now. I'll just wait for a pullback.
Wow.
I think the reason why gold is really dropping, one of the reasons could be that the US-Iran war is easing out. Just saw some news today that Brent oil have returned the normal oil prices. So that could be a key indicator that the war is easing out. So probably, yeah, the war could be ending, and that means oil stabilizes and gold goes back up.
okay.
Okay, so
Oh, today silver also pumped up, right? Yeah.
silver as well. Yeah, it's very correlated, isn't it, with
Yes,
gold?
exactly.
Yeah, it's directly correlated.
I have never seen a chart, silver chart.
I've invested in silver in stocks, so that's why I used to check.
Hmm.
Today it is up by 2.49. sorry, 2.44% in Indian market. So that's why too. I don't know what's the reason. Is the crude oil price down? Let me just check. Let me check crude oil.
All right, crude oil.
Yeah, it is actually down. Look at this.
Mm.
I think this is one of the main reason for the gold to short up. Sorry. Have you traded crude oil?
Ever?
No.
No, no, no. Something
Same.
I'm
I've
not
never
attracted.
traded. Yeah.
Okay, so gold now is within one of my areas. So I let's move to 5 minutes. Mm, I could try.
Hello. High profit X trader. It is looking good, but shorting now seems a bit risky for me.
Shorting
I have to wait.
gold?
Yeah, maybe I'll plan to go with very small lots. Then, if
Mm.
that confirmation, like I'll just add more lots, and we just wait for some kind of retracement to happen. Then I'll just enter.
Also
How was
looking
it?
for very um short sells on gold. I think we are with you, Rishi. What are you looking for the shorts?
Yeah, I'm looking for shorts, but again, like shorting now is quite risky.
Yeah.
I'll just wait for some kind of retracement to happen. But even this candle is looking concerning to me because, like, at highs or lows, whenever I see a strong candle, mostly the market will try to reverse.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Mm.
True.
I need some kind of confirmation, then I'll plan my trades.
Mm.
Nasdaq is retracing back up as well.
That's it. Sorry. What about Nasdaq? As it put a short now? No, it already fell down a bit.
Mm.
Uh, Again, taking it lows is quite risky. It's better if you want to short further, you can just wait for some kind of manipulation to happen, then you can just go for it. Or else, like if you want to go for short here, the perfect stop loss would be this level. So the risk is somewhat higher.
Mm.
So you can just, if you want to short here, like you can just go with minimal lots, like 1 micros, and then if it is giving you confirmation, you can just add more lots. Till then, this is a no shorting zone for me. How was a week, Rosa?
Week so far has been pretty good actually,
That's good.
but it's been today. I mean, also positive, but I struggled in one of the accounts on my personal accounts.
Okay.
But all in all, it's been a fantastic week to be honest. So nothing to complain, but
Okay.
a few errors here and then. Um, my it's too strong downside. So I want to go long, but it's too risky as well. No confirmation whatsoever so far.
Saffron Raji, there is no confirmation.
Mm.
Even like I'm also planning to go long. Let's see.
It should go back up. Let's go. It's very strong downside, so a lot of pressure for now. Oh,
We need a good push.
is there any news? I didn't check.
Let
Uh,
me just check.
I think in 2 hours maybe. Oh, it's now. Now 250. Well, ADP non-farm is not quite important, but
Still 2 more minutes left.
mm, all right. Market will go down. Profit bearish. Yeah, it's quite. It's been now it's bearish, but it's been bullish all day long. Nasdaq's going down, back down again.
Wow, this is super cool.
Ooh, it broke my area, so I'm not liking what I'm seeing.
Longs.
Huh?
Or in long.
No, I'm not long. I'm just waiting, but I defined an area of action. There's no confirmation whatsoever to me, but I mean, it broke the area.
Okay.
So, ah,
I think now it is looking good to short Nasdaq. This candle is actually looking good. Let's see if it is rejecting or not. If it rejects and then if it goes down, like I'll plan any trades.
mm, news releases in 1 minute. Not very important one, but no, it gold goes down.
Wow.
Wow. What is that?
How many trades do you take trade? do you take per trade? How many RR do you make in average at the end of month?
Your audio is a bit down.
Mine.
Yes,
Is it clear now?
it's good. Yeah, better. How many trades do we take?
Yeah, how many trades do you do you take per trade, and how many RR do you make in average at the end of month?
Um, Trades a day usually. Oh, I'm about to. Just a second. Just I'm on one evaluation. Anyway, it's break even already. So I usually take 4 trades a day tops. Usually it's one or two. If I lose 2 trades in a row, 3 trades in a row, I stop trading for the day.
Okay.
Uh, and I'm not after a specific amount of money on every trade. It's whatever the market gives me. This is why I keep closing partials because it's very nice to see that. But I usually take between 40 and maximum maybe 100 pips. I'm a scalper, so I'm not after 200 or 300 pips. I'm working on it. I'm just letting a runner, but it's not easy. 147. Okay, 147. Is it going down? That is crazy. Wow.
Just give me a minute, like I'll be back. Just give me a minute.
Oh, oh my. Um, Market will go down, yeah, and it's going down. What about Nasdaq? Is it good to short now? Well, is it good? I closed my buy position at Nasdaq, and then I entered a short, and I closed it already. It might keep going down, but I don't have any confirmation to short it.
I'm in sales in gold, but with many minimal lot.
Hmm.
Oh, the moves are pretty crazy. I don't know. I'm not going to expect
Wow.
more.
It's impossible to trade that.
I'm just going to scalp till this level.
Hmm.
I'm already in sales. Let's see. But this is a very good support level where we do have support level at this level. Okay, let's see.
Mm.
466. This level. I do I do 1:1 and we ended up making 4 RR per month. But with trailing Jordan and stuff, it's hard for me. Futures performance is completely different. Like you need more
Mm.
patience. The rules are tighter compared to forex performance. You have to cope with consistency score. You have to create a buffer in life funded account, and even when it comes to payout, you can just make 50% of what you have made,
Mm.
and in that 50%, they'll give you 80% profits without. So these are there are many conditions when it comes to futures perform,
Mm.
but if you want to scale more, If you want to handle many accounts, then futures performs is best. Simultaneously, you can trade 20 accounts, 30 accounts. In Apex and all, you can just trade 20 accounts. Yeah, it do
Yeah.
have benefits, but the payout policy, the rules part is very difficult compared to Forex performance.
Mm.
Okay,
It
it
has
seems
nothing to
first.
do actually.
I'll just close my trade and break even.
Wow, it reversed nicely.
Yeah, yeah. That's it. I don't know the risk. No.
Mm.
Do you trade any other pair other than gold, Rosa?
No, I do trade Nasdaq sometimes, but I have it. I do trade Nasdaq with an expert advisor,
Okay.
so it's not me um, trading manually.
Or you do use bots?
Oh, Nasdaq's reversing back again. It's very difficult to me to trade in these conditions. Extremely difficult. So I think I'm going to watch for the rest of the session.
Sometimes, when I'm watching markets, like these kind of moves actually tempt me to get into the trade. But what will
Mm.
happen is the moment I enter into the trade, it will immediately fall, and then it will reverse further. So in this scenario, mostly what I'll do is I'll just wait for two manipulations to happen. Like
Mm.
instead of entering here, I'll just wait for the market to manipulate again, and then if it reverses, I'll just go for the trade.
Regarding the um, Hariram comment, you already answered.
Yeah.
But in my opinion, you should trade differently if you trade futures account or a CFDs account. It has nothing to do one to another. And it's important to understand, as you said, there's a trailing drawdown in the futures accounts. So I mean, it's you wouldn't make any more. Making 4% with these conditions, it's actually a lot. But you could do a lot more if you would trade different. So it's another market. No, it's not another market. It's the same market, different conditions. So if you are playing this game with different conditions, you should adapt to these conditions. That is very, very important. So you shouldn't trade the same way. Oh, gold's reversing now. Ah, okay. So there's no more news until an hour and a half. So we are free to go. Let's see if I can find something because it's very, very difficult. Oh, gold just moved up very easily.
Yeah.
Mm. Oh dear. I don't have any setup either. Very, very. Is anyone on buys at gold now? Gold or Nasdaq, which is also pumping up? Yeah, I'm not in any trades, but I'm ready to start buying again. If I have the confirmation and a better price, just a reversal, I'll enter the market. So let's get ready for action. Okay, all systems ready. Gold is nearly half the way. No, like 30% of the way. All right. And
Can you share your screen?
yeah,
For
where's the live stream here?
yeah.
Share window. There you have it. Okay, I'm just waiting for a reversal within this area.
I couldn't able to see your screen.
Oh, you know, oh, why not? I've been sharing.
I'm also looking for shorts around this area, probably. You can't see a screen yet.
Not yet.
No.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Why not? Okay, so I was about to say,
Yeah, now it's
people on the back, please. Right, going back to my area, if I have a confirmation, I'll go long.
so
Let's see. And then gold died. Okay, now some action. Some action. Finally. So let's see. if I can get into the trade. Okay, nothing for now. Right, I need the price to move higher. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Higher. This level here. I'm about to hit. Okay. So I closed the trade already. It was 55 pips poked from here to here. It didn't went up to my level, but it was a quick scalp on my personal account. So all in all, all right. That level hasn't been hit, so still valid. A retracement, and then it goes up again. Let's see if I can do what is expected. It should try and go up a little bit more. Samuel, did you say you were going to sell in this area here?
Yes, but it hasn't reached my area yet.
Okay.
I'm checking for it to reach around the 46.91 area.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll enter shorts when I see a rejection from 46.91. Stops around 4,700.
Mm-hmm.
Targeting the previous week value area high around 4,644. So that would be around a good 5 RR.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
Indeed.
not yet. If it hasn't reached my area, no entering. So just wait for it until it's triggered.
Mm.
Yeah, and I see a rejection. If I see a good rejection, the stop loss will be lower, meaning bigger R, probably even a 10R.
Amazing. That's a massive risk reward.
Yeah.
Okay, I need a push now. Okay. The meantime, there's nothing very interesting today either. It's very difficult. To me, the area between the London session and New York session is being very difficult to trade lately. It's not easy. I'm not sure it's going up anymore. Now it's just hesitating here. So he had this level, the same levels there, around there, he said. So let's see if we can get it. $27.50. Okay. All right. It's moving down again heavily. Whoa.
I think it is going to fall further.
Hmm. Yes, it seems so.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just moving my limit order. All right. It's doing nothing. Do you use volume profile or something like that? I don't, but
Yeah, I use the volume profile. Right now we are very, very overextended, and I don't think we would like it's going to fall. But for me, I need that optimum entry so that I can get the short all the way to the previous weekly high. And if we hold the previous, weekly value area high, it would be now a good place now to look for longs. But as of now, I'm just waiting for it to come to the area, which is actually the overnight, around where the overnight point of control is. So it's around there. It's until I see a rejection. If I don't see a rejection, we might go just a little bit higher to where my stops are, around the 4,700, around
okay.
there, and reverse from 4,700. And I see a rejection from that point. That's when I'm going now to
So
enter.
you are still waiting for this comeback here.
Yes, I'm still waiting for it to go up so that I can short it. Yeah. And if it goes down, yeah, today no setup, but I have to wait for it to come to the optimum area, then short it.
Why did it kind of looks green in your chat?
Oh, because it's always it's with the trend. Yeah,
Okay.
it's not red and white in the sense of bearish or bullish,
Okay.
but based on these indicators I have here. I'm just waiting for a push to the upside, but it's not happening. So
It is
that's why I
consolidating now.
can wait. Yeah.
And, like it is consolidating for a while.
Hmm. Now we tried, but nothing.
I think it's still waiting for market open.
Hmm.
Because also I think we had news. Let me check how the news came out. Probably that could cause some reaction just for a few minutes.
All right.
That's it.
Nothing. I'll delete the pending order. I don't actually like it at all. Not the movement I was expecting, so out. Three, 4, 7.5. Okay. All right. It's trying to react to the upside, but it's not clear. This area is still valid. So this is the area I'm waiting for. All right, so let's see the news. Didn't check either. Card crude 4:30, so still time. Pretty quiet this session, so it's not too much.
Quite quiet.
Yeah. Come on, give us this push up until here. Why this area is the point of interest you mentioned?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that was a point of interest for me because it's near the overnight point of control. And for example, right now, if you check the 5 minute or the 15 minute, we kind of got a change. What is it called? Market structure shift. And
A
if
change
you
of structure.
use, yes, if you use the fib
Right.
from the high point to the low point, the
The
entry
higher
is
from
right.
here.
Yes, from the highest point, no, of the highest point that the price went today. Yes, all the way to the downside.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello, hello. Hello. Um, I am not frozen. I think I can see myself, but Rishi and Samuel are off the charts. So, hello, hello. Okay, I'm on my own now. I think he meant this retracement, feeble retracement 38 to 05. And the point of interest he was mentioning was around this area. So, oh, it changed directions. So, back to the downside very heavily. Okay, let's move to 1 minute. It's the chart I have here. You see, this consolidation's crazy. Oh, this consolidation here is crazy. I'm gonna delete the Fibo, so it tricked us all. I still see it has to go up. But there's no movement. Pretty boring now. Okay, we're moving downside, maybe to hit this target here. Nothing to do for now. Just waiting. Still, my point of view on gold is this level hasn't been hit and it has to. Uh, so within these 2 hours, before 4 o'clock my time, so in an hour's time, it should be hit. But movements are weird so far. Consolidation, and let me check again the news just because some things. I did check it, so that's useful. Oh, thank oh my. Okay, Rishi is facing a power cut at his place, so he'll be joining as soon as he can. I don't know. That boring session. It's moved like crazy. This is the session today so far. From the market open, it just went up. London session continued, the Asian session, which is something pretty weird, against all
So
odds. Hi.
yeah, I'm back. Sorry for that.
Yeah, no problem. I was saying it's a boring session in the sense of no movement whatsoever so far,
Yeah,
and it's still consolidating.
yeah. Unfortunately, seems like gold doesn't want to move today, but there's some few setups I made on German 40 and GBPUSD.
Would you mind
Currently,
to
German
share?
40. Sure.
I'll stop sharing so you can show.
Where's this window? Okay, can you see my screen? Yeah.
Yes.
So this is my current setup on gold. It has not yet played out. I was before my network disturbed. I was explaining concerning the fib, and this is why I can't take any trade below the 50% area, since this would be taking a trade in the what is it called, the premium zone. So I'm waiting for it to at least get somewhere in between here, the discount zone. Then we can continue with the leg down because we changed character. And another confluence for that is we have the previous weekly value area high over here. And this is a place where a lot of this normally acts as a support area, as you can see. And I'll be now trading it all the way. If this setup does not play, I will have to wait for it to come all the way down here, then look for buys going up if it rejects this zone. So I also had another one on German 40, but for this one, it played out well. I normally wait for the 3 or what time, the 8 a.m. US time to open. And then I just wait to see what's the previous price action that happened. So for now, as you can see here, we started a downtrend. Basically, once I saw this and we had the open, I normally mark this as my area, the open. Let me see, hide this one. 8 a.m., 8, yeah, over here. This as my zone. So whenever we trade here and we close below it properly, I just normally wait for the retest of the zone and then just target a simple 1:6. And that hit TP. For NAS, I am still waiting for it to come all the way up here. For US 30, also the same thing. it never gave a proper retest. With these markets these days, I'm really waiting for the retest so that I can confirm my entry. So I'll wait for it to come all the way here. US soil, and also it didn't give a retest, it just went up. But for GU gave a very good clean setup. I wish I saw this. I was so focused on gold that I missed this and I didn't put an alert. So once we broke this, I centered around this area, which was around the 50% area. And also this candle is one of the candles that pushed price so that we can break this area. And we came, retested it, and normally just look for 1:2.6. With these current markets, I've had to go for a lower RR, the low hanging fruit. So it hits basically. But basically, when something like this happens, also targeting below here, it's never wrong. So that could have been a very nice 5R. USD also actually nice. This is still running. As you can see, we are bullish on the hour, and I had set it out. Normally, just check the 8 a.m. open first. This is the pre-market, the 1 hour 30 minutes before market open in the US. As you can see over here, we had this push, took my area, waited for this as inducement. But still, it was a good area because it retested this area, and now it's just headed to TP to the 2.6R for 2.6RR. And yeah, for me, Euro USD didn't do anything, but normally I only focus on gold, German 40, NAS, and USD JPY and USD GBP USD. So all these other pairs over here are just to check maybe for direction, confluence. Yeah. So I'm still waiting for gold to do something. I don't think I'll
Yeah.
take any trade on gold until it reaches our area. So I am sorry, guys. I wish I had shared these two trades early in advance. The GBP USD one and the USD JPY. Because yeah, TP hit on USD JPY. It's a bummer. I'll be using more of alerts so that we don't miss such trades. Gold, not, yeah. It's really consolidating.
Doing absolute nothing.
Yeah. But normally around this area, yeah, we are entering now into the another hour. So probably we might get a push. Let's see. Have you taken any trades?
Not now. I
Yeah.
closed the buy earlier, and
Yeah.
that's it because it's impossible.
Okay. It's impossible to trade in such markets, to be honest.
Yes.
I saw a tweet today from someone saying that they wish the Biden markets came back because it was so easy to trade back then. Market really followed price action properly. Right now, you might be on shorts on gold. You look away to go take water
Yeah.
and 1,000 pips. It can leave you in a state of shock out of nowhere. Gold today, it's really not doing nothing. I
Yeah.
think for me, those are the setups.
Hmm.
If anyone's on the live who wants to, you can just put the what are they called, not limits, but rather alerts around these areas and see how price reacts to those areas. Don't put limits unless you see rejection out of this area or this area. Because remember, where I've put my stop also, this is where we have the overnight. This I usually normally use the volume profile, also the overnight volume profile. And you can see this is the value area high, point of control. Point of control means where there was a lot of volume. And now the last area over here where we have the value area low. So around where my stop loss area is where the value area high. The value, sorry, but the point of control is. So if you don't, just wait for it and see how it yeah, we can see gold is pumping. Let's see
Yes,
how it
that,
goes from these zones. Let's see. Let's see.
going up, 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 up.
Yeah, that's nice.
One
You
up.
can see it has stopped.
Yeah.
It has stopped that area. Now we have to wait to see a rejection out of this area probably. But most times I'm usually aggressive. I just put a limit and target. So let's wait for this other candle maybe to go up, and then if it rejects, yeah, it's rejecting.
So you're going down now.
Yeah, around this area, it's most probably go down. If not, the POC, which POC I have not also noticed is where there's 0.69 area of the fib is, which is also a very high value. It's also a very nice fib area. So normally, because I've started now also trying to trade futures, normally I have this very small aggressive trades. Like for example, this one would now be my normal setup. Just the 1 minute high above that candle and TP strictly at 2.6 RR. So this I would have already been tapped in, hoping that doesn't hit stop loss before this area, but because it has already reached 1:1, I normally move it to BE. So right now, if it hits here, that could have been I'm out for the day for the futures accounts. Because now in the CFDs, unfortunately, you have spread. Spread
Yes.
can literally be your whole this area. It can be literally your whole risk area. So that's why I normally give it a bit of breathing room. So if I was doing my futures trade over here, I would have entered, maybe put 2 contracts. One, close it here. The next one, probably let it run properly all the way. Obviously now,
That for the
putting
session.
trailing stop losses. Yeah. That would have taken me out at BE. Let's see. But not on my CFDs accounts, mostly.
Okay, now
you
it's
see
rejected.
the reaction?
Yeah.
Now it has rejected. Now it will fall properly. Hopefully,
Three.
from this area, it might quite fall significantly. Yep, that could have been a very good trade. I'm not taking a trade because I had already taken some during London.
Okay.
So I don't want to overtrade. That's why I just put the information out there for any person who wants to trade these setups. I think I can remove this one and then just extend this one. Are you in any trade, Rosa? Have you thought of
Not
anything?
yet.
Okay. What could you probably be looking for?
I'm looking for buys, but it's
Yeah,
I don't have a clear picture, so
yeah,
it is difficult to me now.
yeah. I understand. I understand. This area is really looking juicy.
Hmm.
Around this area. So if we tap in this area and we see proper rejections from the previous weekly value area high, that will be a very good confluence to go higher. And that will actually be a very nice take profit because it
Hmm.
also aligns with my, wow, this area is quite good because it also aligns with my first take profit over the fib. I normally use the 0.27 extension of the Fibonacci. So that's why this could be a very nice take profit area. And also the Fibonacci also, my TP2, I don't take, whenever I use the Fibonacci alone, I only take profits from the 0.27 area and the 0.618 extension of the
Okay,
Fibonacci.
the extension. Okay.
Yes. So this would be my TP1 and this would be my TP2. And lo and behold, it's aligning with the previous weekly high, previous weekly value area high, and the
Hmm.
previous weekly value area low. Actually, was it the low? Where did I put? That should be the POC actually, yeah. Yeah,
Hmm.
not low, but POC. Let me change that real quick. My area POC, POC. Yeah.
Okay.
So that would be my TP. That was a decent drop.
Okay, it's already dropping. Okay.
That was a proper trade.
Hmm.
Almost zero DD.
Good, good, good. Okay, at least some reaction.
Yeah. That's the beauty of having multiple confluences marry each other.
Hmm.
So whoever is learning things, whatever you're learning, don't um, think it's too small. For example, you might learn the fib, other people are learning the order flow.
Hmm.
Each concept normally builds on top of each other. Like you might see something and you're like, oh, this is happening because of this. For example, like what happened over here. Another reason why I would have taken this trade if this high was not taken was because I had seen an inside bar over here. And that's why you see every point where you see orange, what is it called? Orange
Yeah.
candlestick.
Hmm.
That's normally an inside bar, a bar which is inside another bar.
All right.
And
Yeah.
normally how they act is if it breaks any of either side first, follow through will happen. For example, if you just backtest even from these few candles, we had an inside bar, broke
Hmm.
through, and then it had the follow through. Had an inside bar, broke through, had the follow through. This one also broke the downside first. Later
Hmm.
on, it consolidated, then went down. This one was the one which failed. So inside bars do work to some extent.
Oh, that's pretty
You see, like
interesting. Is that a
this
specific
inside bar,
indicator?
yeah,
The
it's called IBSV2, inside bar version 2.
IBA. Okay.
Inside bar version 2. If you see this inside bar over here, it broke the lower side first, consolidated a bit, then had the follow
Yeah.
through. This inside bar broke down first, had the follow through later on. So even
And
if
it's
it
always the
breaks
ones
down,
to the downside. Sorry, always the downside. No, it has to be inside
no,
bar, but that's it.
Yes, also for the upside, because
Okay.
this one, you see like this one? This
Hmm?
one, let me try and zoom in so that you can see it. This one broke the upper side first. Can you notice? It broke the
Mm-hmm.
upper side first. So normally this tells you, okay, have you noticed when we break the downside first, we even if it goes up, we will still go down. So this candle over here was broken to the upside first with the
Okay.
next candle, and then the consecutive candle came, took maybe this liquidity and pushed all the way up. For this
Okay.
candle over here, we saw it first break this zone first before going to take up a little bit of liquidity and then pushing down. This one, we broke this one first, came down, came inside, went down. This one, break down first, went back up again, and then had the follow through later. So it doesn't have, let's say, like not as an entry criteria, but more
Mm.
like a confirmation. Okay, I can use this as a side confluence if the confluences are not many.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, it's a combination of everything.
Yeah,
Confluences
yeah,
plus maybe inside bar plus levels, etc., etc.
yes, 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 yes. So we might see that's nice. We are getting a rejection from this area. Let's see how it goes. Fib retracement. So if you see a rejection from this point or this point, one can add a layer. That's how I normally
This is
layer
the
my
60,
trades.
60-ish, right?
Sorry?
This is the 61.
This is the 61.
Okay.
This one, the blue one. The
Mm,
black ones, I have my OTE zone around
mm,
this area, 0.79 to 0.618. So normally I'd wait for it to tap. If I see it's going like this, I'd add a small layer because this is not my main trade. I'd add just a little bit small layer whenever we
mm.
touch just the discount area, like this one.
All
The
right.
weight has touched 0.5. I will enter a layer on there. If this is engulfed, then ride it, but also give it a little bit of breathing room, knowing that it might come all the way back to OTE before going down. Why? Another confluence. Over here we have, what do we have? We have an inverted fair value gap. So it might decide, okay, because there's an inverted fair value gap, let me come over here to the OTE zone 0.618, then continue going lower.
I'm checking this indicator, the inside bar one.
Yeah, I have V2, the version 2.
Mm.
So we are getting a rejection from that area.
Okay, now our back. Oh, we're back at the same point. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's some really, phew, that would have taken me out at break even. That's some proper follow through. So this is why these days I am slowly turning into a scalper. I was
Mm,
an intraday and swing trader, but I noticed that normally with scalping, you tend to keep your profits more. So
mm,
that's why I normally wait. For example, if I was on the futures account, I would have trailed this stop and probably would have gotten out from this point when I saw this rejection from this area. That could have been a good trade.
Indeed. Um,
Yeah, for me right now, I'd call it a day.
yes, me
Have you?
too, actually.
Yeah, have you seen anything that you can? Do you think you'll take a trade today?
No, 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 I'm just off the charts. That's it.
Okay, okay.
The moment we end up the live stream, I'm off the charts. No more trade for today. I don't like the New York session. I'd
Yes,
rather do the London session for gold. It's way
yes,
smoother, and New York session is very volatile.
yes,
And
very.
with my stop losses so tight, it's very
Yeah,
difficult to move in a session like this one. So I'm off the charts for the day.
you can actually try also to do the Asia session. It's
Uh,
trust. I
I
yes.
think it's the best session, but it's
Yes.
it's my night. It's like 12.
Oh, okay.
It's 12 at night, so it's impossible for me to do it. But sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night and I do trade the
Yes.
session because it's very
Uh,
very smooth.
very smooth. For me, actually, I normally trade it because of how smooth it is. And do you know
Yes.
at what time it is here in Kenya?
What
It's
time?
at 3 a.m.
Oh yeah, well my yeah. Here it
3 a.m.
starts
So
at 12, so I'm always sleeping. But yeah, sometimes it's 3 o'clock when I wake up. 3 o'clock my time.
yeah,
And then I wake up and then I see some opportunity and I go in because it's smooth. There's no look at the session now, New York session. It's just
yes,
crazy. Well, it's not New York's not open yet, but you know what I mean. It's like it's impossible
yeah.
to trade. And Asia sessions are so smooth. I'm thinking seriously about changing my schedules and everything, but with kids it's difficult.
It's
So
yeah, it's very
yeah.
difficult.
So
Sorry
anyway,
about that.
okay. So should we end the session?
Sure, sure. We can end the session for the people
Okay.
on the live. You
Thank
can
you very much,
screenshot
everyone, for
this.
being here.
Yeah.
And
Thank you.
talk to you very, very soon. Thank you. Bye, Samuel.
Uh, okay. Bye, bye, Rosa. This, my flap computer is having an issue. Just give it a few minutes before I close.